Good morning, class. How are you doing, class? Very fine. Okay, so let us move ahead with today's session. Uh, Currently, right now, I had sent three PDFs to the group. We had corrected the work of two students yesterday. The one was of Jasmeer and another was of
आवाज
Manya.
की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
Sorry. Ma'am, can you please repeat?
थोड़ी सी ना वॉल्यूम की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है।
कोई इमेजेस लेनी है ना आपको?
Okay, ma'am, let me check it.
आवाज नहीं, थोड़ा से उठ के थोड़ा सा आगे। तुम पहले तो आए थे, क्यों नहीं आए थे? शायद अब ठीक है।
Am I audible now?
अब ठीक है ना?
Okay, so class we shall move ahead with our work. As I told you, कि मैंने अभी right now I guess 10 to 15 minutes before I had shared three PDFs to the group. The work that we corrected yesterday, the one was of Jasmeet and another was for whose was that Manya. Yes, we have corrected the work of two students and in today's session we are going to correct the work of others also. अब जो मैंने PDF भेजी है, what they mean. Jasmeet ka work, Priya Gupta's work and another work of Manya. उनका वर्क मैंने करेक्ट करके PDF ग्रुप में भेजी है फॉर योर रेफरेंस. तो अगर आपको इशू जहाँ पर भी आपको करेक्ट दिखता है, यू शुड करेक्ट दैट इन योर पैसेज. Am I clear to all of you? मैंने क्या कहा कि मैंने ग्रुप में PDF भेजी है विद ऑल द करेक्टेड वर्क. जैसे जैसे मैं सबका वर्क करेक्ट कर दूंगी, आई विल बी सेंडिंग द PDF टू द ग्रुप and you have to take reference of that and correct those, make those corrections in your notebooks, right? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually I'm not able to see the picture of the students. Can you please switch off the camera and then switch it on?
सब लोग नहीं आ रहे थे। मैम एक काम करो, वो लाइन इधर आ जाओ। कौन सी साइड? नहीं दिख रहा?
मैम पीछे बैठा दो मैम नहीं मैम उधर वाली साइड दिख रही है ना हाथ लगा के
कैमरा है क्या?
अरे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
जी यहाँ का माहौल किसने बदला है? नहीं सर, मैंने नहीं बदला. Chapter 5. Chapter 5. Yes. I want chapter 5.
Fine. Now, thank you, ma'am. Okay, class, we should move ahead. Can we have Priya? Is she present in class today?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning, Priya, but I'm not able to see you right now. I guess there is some network issue by your side.
मैम कह रही हूँ
वैक्यूम दिख रही है आता भी है इसमें। मैम
No,
आपको
ma'am.
दिख नहीं रही है? कैमरा
No,
तो
ma'am.
ऑन
I'm
है।
not able to see her. I guess there is some network issue by your side. I'm not able to see her anywhere.
कैमरा ऑन है ऑलरेडी।
हम फोन नहीं है यहाँ पे।
ऑन है।
Fine. I guess we should move ahead.
आईफोन से तो नहीं है आईफोन। एक मिनट एक मिनट।
Fine. Priya, please continue reading. Do you have your work with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Please start reading it.
Dhanteras is a Hindu festival celebrated
Wait,
20.
let's tell you what you're going to. Wait, just a minute, please. Let me show it to you. Okay, then please start reading and then I'll be showing you the picture, okay, of what I've corrected. You shall read the passage of Govardhan Puja. Please read it.
Govardhan Puja is an Indian festival which is followed on Diwali. It is celebrated on second day after Diwali. It is mostly celebrated in the northern part of the nation. It is also known as Anakut Puja. Every year people celebrate this day with lot of enthusiasm. Elders as well as children take shower yearly, early, and more than 56 different items are made this day to impress Goddess Annapurna.
Priya, can you please repeat once again from the beginning?
Govardhan Puja is an Indian festival which is followed on Diwali. It is celebrated on second day after Diwali. It is mostly celebrated in the northern part of the nation. It is also known as Anakut Puja. Every year people celebrate this day with lots of enthusiasm. Elders as well as children take shower yearly and more than 56 different items are made this day to impress goddess Annapurna.
Annapurna. Okay, fine. Priya, this is not Annapurna, this is Annapurna. Okay, very fine. You have written all the passages very good, nicely. But let me tell you one thing. Now, if you look at your passage of Bhai Dooj, please open it.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please read it?
Bhai Dooj, one of the most awaited festivals of sisters. It is an ocean
Occasion. What is it pronounced at? It is pronounced as
occasion.
occasion. Yes, occasion.
Occasion in which sisters pray for the betterment of their brothers. By those a festival which I really like a lot. Actually, I get gifts from my brother. It is a festival of love, protection, and the strength. Then there the bondage of a brother and sisters. It is celebrated every year after 2 days of Diwali. My brother gives me gift on Bhai Dooj.
Okay, fine. Asha, tell me one thing. What you have written, one thing you have written it on your own, or have you taken the help of somebody else?
One question, sir.
Sorry.
Tuition, sir.
What are you saying, Priya? Can you please repeat it once again?
Ma'am, tuition, sir.
ट्यूशन वाले सर से लिखवा है.
Yes.
Okay, fine. अच्छा, listen to me. One thing that you need to be aware of is that पहले तो try कीजिए that you write it on your own. Okay, you need not to take the help of others. First thing. Second thing, the thing that you have written here, you have written this line multiple times. My brother gave me gift on Bhai Dooj. My brother gave me gift on Bhai Dooj. This line has been repeated almost thrice. 3 बार. ये इतना छोटा सा पैसेज है, the small passage of hardly, it's hardly containing 6 or 7 lines, and 3 lines are being repeated simultaneously, that my brother gave me gift and give me gift. Okay, try कीजिए not to repeat the lines. Okay, fine. बार बार repeat नहीं करना है same चीज को. Okay, fine. Okay, Priya, thank you for coming. And
Welcome.
next time, please try to write the passage on your own.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
67 फोटो हो चुकी हैं और पेज नंबर 11 पे
Next one we have, who is willing to come up next?
पेज नंबर 11 पे लिख देता हूँ मैं.
Who is willing to come up? Lovely, are you willing to come up? Lovely Sharma. Lovely Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lovely. Have you done, are you having the work of yours with you? Sanjay, everybody, please maintain silence. Don't make, don't make any status. Rajlavi,
Yes, ma'am.
please don't talk. You should be sitting quietly in the class. Yes. Yes, Lovely.
Diwali is after called the Festival of Lights and is celebrated by lighting lamps and bursting crackers and fireworks. It is a festival which commemorates the
Wait, Lakshmi, can you please start it from, sorry, Lovely, can you please start it from the beginning?
Diwali is after called the Festival of Lights and is celebrated by lighting lamps and bursting crackers and free bombs. It is a festival which commemorates the victorious return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after saving his wife Sita from the demon King Ravana.
Okay, fine, Lovely. Acha, now tell me, from where have you written this passage from?
Ma'am, sisters,
Sorry?
ma'am,
किससे?
बहन से करा है.
बहन से? From your sister? Fine. Okay. Are you sure that you have written this passage? You have got this passage written from your sister? Fine. Okay. And Jasmeet has also written the same, exactly same passage. Acha, Jasmeet, where is she? Jasmeet, is she present in the class? Yes, I'm able to see her. Jasmeet, can you please come ahead?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jasmeet. Acha, tell me one thing. Honestly, from where have you written the passage?
मैम आधा हमने अपनी दीदी से पूछा था
आधा मर्सी से बनाया है ना आधा
मैम आधा दीदी से पूछा था आधा हमने किया.
आधा दीदी से पूछा है ना आधा अपनी मर्जी से लिखा है. Let me tell you one thing, and the mistakes that Jasmeet has committed, the same mistakes have been committed by Lovely. Your passages are exactly the same.
अंकित सर
Even the
मैंने
mistakes.
भेज दिया, you have to
You have
check.
written Ravan as Raver. The same thing has been written by Lovely. You have written after too often, and the same thing is being repeated by her also. Why?
मैंने अपनी दीदी से लिखवाया है।
What should I consider this? I personally consider this as cheating. Every of you has copied it from the other person.
मैम अपनी दीदी से लिखवाया। मैम आधा
Didi?
दीदी।
आधा दीदी से लिखवाया। Okay, lovely. Please tell me honestly बताइए, have you done it on your own? दीदी से लिखवाया चाहे कैसे भी है, but or have you copied it from just me?
मैम ने कल लिखवाया था मैम दीदी से।
I don't understand one thing. Why do you copy anybody? I'm not taking anybody's name, but I don't understand this thing. Why do you copy work from others? Why don't you do your work on your own? Hmm? Guys, this is the last time I'm permitting this to you. Both of you, just meet you and lovely you. You're going to write the passages again. Okay? Fine? And I don't
Yes.
want your passages to be exactly the same once again. Fine? Both of your passages should be different. Okay? Okay. There is a lot of material is available to write on Diwali. That's why I had given this homework to you that everybody has a different thought on Diwali. Everybody has Diwali अलग तरीके से मनाता है. If you don't have anything to write, you can write how you celebrate Diwali. आप अपने घर में दिवाली कैसे मनाते हैं? Write it. Okay? If you're not able to write it. If you're not getting you okay, if you're not able to write the passage in English on your own, you can take the help of mine. You have my WhatsApp number?
Yes मैम।
Yes, you can take it. If you don't have it, you can get it. Check. You can check the group. You can get it from there. You can get my help. Either you can text me or you can call me anytime. If you're not able to write it, you can take the help of mine. But mind it, you are here to learn English, not to copy it from anybody else. Okay? जब तक आप दूसरों की help से everybody listen to me. What I'm saying. सभी लोग जब तक आप दूसरों की हेल्प से इंग्लिश करते रहेंगे ना यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट टू लर्न इट इन एनी वे फाइन जब तक खुद से ट्राई नहीं करोगे यू वोंट बी एबल टू लर्न आर यू विलिंग टू लर्न इंग्लिश और नॉट यस और नो
Yes.
यस तो यू शुड बी ट्राइंग इट ऑन योर ओन चाहे कैसे भी लिखिए बट डू राइट इट आई एम हेयर टू इफ यू आर गेटिंग इट रॉन्ग आई एम हेयर टू करेक्ट इट फाइन
Yes,
ओके
ma'am.
क्लास ओके Lovely and Jasmeet, please get back to your seat. And I'll be taking your passages tomorrow again. Fine? Both of yours. Okay. Next, can we have Sonakshi? Is she present? Okay, wait a second, please.
Good morning मैम।
Good morning, Sonakshi. Acha, let me tell you one thing that you have submitted your work very late. First thing.
मैम भूल गए थे।
Don't make excuse in front of me.
मैम पापा का मैम पापा का फोन पापा के पास थी
ये मेरे
तो
को
मैं
सेंड कर दो, फिर मैं
स्टूडियो।
डाल चलो।
Fine. Okay. Do you have your work with you? Please start reading it.
मैम ऐसे माय फेवरेट
On holy. Wait. Please start reading the passage of. Okay, you have written one, two, three, four. Okay. So, Nakshi, please start reading the passage of Govardhan. Please.
मैम गोवर्धन पूजा।
Yes, Govardhan Puja.
Govardhan Puja is a festival of Hindus. This festival is celebrated in the month of October or November. Govardhan Puja is every year just a day after Diwali in the month of Kartik according to Hindu
Wait,
calendar.
wait a second, Sonakshi. As you said, celebrated in the month of Kartik. Then you took a pause, है ना?
According to
Just a minute. Wait, listen to me first. When you said according to in the month of Kartik, you took a little pause. आपने ध्यान दिया कार्तिक के बाद आपने थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लिया एंड देन यू स्टार्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू, है ना?
मैम दिवाली मैम ने ये कहा था कि आफ्टर दिवाली इन द मंथ ऑफ कार्तिक
Yes.
अकॉर्डिंग
Okay, wait, just a minute. If you notice, if you notice this passage, do you see any comma or any full stop anywhere in the passage? Yes or no? No. Don't you know that when you
तो
in the
एक ही बार में
line you should
सिलेक्ट हो रही
always
है.
place a full stop there? Do you know? Yes or no?
यस मैम
Yes. So you should be placing a full stop whenever you think that you need to complete a sentence. Okay.
ओके मैम ओके
Fine.
मैम
And whenever you start a new line, new sentence after a full stop, there should always be a capital letter. Understood?
ओके
Okay.
मैम
So be carefully now. Govardhan Puja. Govardhan Puja is a proper name. Your full name is Sonakshi Maurya, right? If
यस
I'm
मैम
not wrong. Yes. So do you write Maurya ka M small?
मैम टाइपिंग पापा ने करी थी
Sorry.
मैम टाइपिंग पापा ने करी थी
टाइपिंग पापा ने करी थी. डू यू नोटिस कि जब अपना नाम लिखते हो तो सोनाक्षी का एस कैपिटल करते हैं एंड मौर्य का एम कैपिटल करते हैं. यस और नो?
यस मैम
Yes. So if you look at Govardhan Puja, so Govardhan Puja are also two words. Govardhan is one word and Puja is one word. So Puja is also a proper noun here. So the P of Puja should also be a capital letter. Fine?
ओके मैम
Fine? Corrected? Okay. Govardhan Puja is a festival of Hindus, right?
यस
What is Hindu? Hindu is here a religion. It is specify a particular, the people following a particular belief, right?
यस
Hindus.
मैम
So Hindus is also a proper noun. Do you understand what a proper noun is?
हिंदू
हाँ, पर हिंदू प्रॉपर नाउन होता है. प्रॉपर नाउन समझ में आता है आपको क्या है?
नो मैम
Proper noun क्या? Everybody listen to me. What is the proper noun? Is anybody going to tell me what is the proper noun?
मैम
Girls, class 7th. Are you hearing me or are you concentrating on your own work? Vaishnavi, what is on the back? I've asked you one thing.
मैम
Everybody,
तन्वी भारद्वाज
Tanvi, but I'm seeing Vaishnavi turning on the back.
मैम लक्ष्मी
Okay, girls, listen to me now. Everybody, concentrate here. Yes. Is anybody who is willing to tell me what a proper noun is? Proper noun क्या होता है? Anybody? Do you know? Yes or no?
नो मैम
Listen to me. I already told you yesterday, if you remember, कि जब किसी specific चीज का नाम होता है, whenever there is a name of a particular thing like a girl who is named as Sonakshi. क्या हर लड़की का नाम सोनाक्षी है?
यस मैम
Yes.
यस
हर लड़की का नाम सोनाक्षी होता है?
मैम
हर लड़की का नाम सोनाक्षी होता है?
नो मैम
क्या हर लड़की का नाम जसमीत होता है?
नो
हर
मैम
लड़की का नाम सिमरन होता है? Everybody, are you getting my voice or not?
नो मैम
No. Isn't the Bluetooth speaker connected?
मैम मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही हल्की आ रही
Just a second, please. Yes, class, are you getting my voice now?
नो मैम मैम ब्लू मैम आवाज तेज कर दो
Bluetooth speaker is not connected.
मैम कनेक्टेड बट आवाज नहीं आ रही
Can you please check the Bluetooth
Chapter
speaker?
60.
The connection might be disrupted, I think.
मैम हम स्पीकर की आवाज तेज करो।
किसके
स्पीकर
आवाज तेज कैसे?
तो पता नहीं ये लंबा आपको पता है। तुम किसी का
कब होगा? रिमोट होगा?
तुम तुम तो उसका है।
किसका है?
तुम उसका
इसका क्या है? ये का इस
तुम का
बटन बटन
तुम ये है तुम ये है वॉल्यूम प्लस तुम आवाज तेज करने के लिए तो वॉल्यूम प्लस
I think that there might be some problem from the system. Can you please check it from the laptop? There might be a problem there.
मैम प्लीज वेट 2 मिनट
Um,
नहीं बढ़िया भाई।
Bluetooth mode.
आ रही है आवाज
are you getting the voice now?
नहीं आ रही है
Here.
Class, are you getting my voice now? And that means that your Bluetooth speaker was not connected to your system. Okay, class, we shall move ahead. Sonakshi, what I was telling to you, everybody now listen to me carefully, okay? Nobody is going to talk unnecessary in between the class. Fine?
यस मैम
Okay, so I was telling you about a proper noun. What a proper noun is, proper noun क्या होता है? Listen to me, everybody. What happened? Why are you looking at the back? Yes, listen to me now carefully. What a proper noun is. If you look at हर लड़की का नाम क्या सोनाक्षी है? हर लड़की का नाम सिमरन है? No. हर लड़की का नाम जसमीत होता है? नहीं. हर लड़की का नाम साक्षी होता है? No. या हर सिटी का नाम बाजपुर होता है?
नो मैम
या हर सिटी का नाम दिल्ली होता है?
नो मैम
हर चीज़ का नाम यूनिक होता है, राइट? जैसे हर लड़की का नाम एक यूनिक नेम होता है। देयर माइट बी टू भूमिका, लेकिन हर दोनों भूमिका का आइडेंटिटी बिल्कुल अलग-अलग होती है ना?
यस
राइट?
मैम
तो जब
Yes,
भी किसी यूनिक चीज़ का नाम आता है, किसी चीज़ का पर्टिकुलर नाम आता है, तो दैट इज़ ऑलवेज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन, ओके? इफ यू लुक एट योर स्कूल्स नेम इज़ सरस्वती बालिका विद्या मंदिर, राइट? क्या हर स्कूल का नाम सरस्वती बालिका विद्या मंदिर होता है?
no ma'am.
So that means that your school has a unique name, and that name is Saraswati Balika Vidya Mandir. Fine. So that is a proper noun. Proper noun को हिंदी में बोलते हैं व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. You understand what is a व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा को ही इंग्लिश में हम प्रॉपर नाउन कहते हैं. फाइन. एंड व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, कभी भी किसी चीज का नाम आएगा तो दैट नेम शुड ऑलवेज बी अ कैपिटल लेटर. Okay,
Yes,
that should
ma'am.
always start with a capital letter. If you look at your name, whenever you write, Ocha, are you able to see the word right here? If you are able to see the name that has been written down on my screen, What is it written? Abhishek Planet School. Are you able to read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So what is Abhishek? Abhishek is the name of a person. And what is Planet School? Planet School is also a name of an institution. Right? तो वहां पर
Yes.
अभिषेक का A कैपिटल, प्लैनेट स्कूल का P कैपिटल. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Likewise, when you write your name, तो आप अपने नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर भी कैपिटल करते हैं, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because it is a proper noun. Okay? तो mind one thing कि जब भी आप किसी चीज का proper noun start करते हैं, whenever you write a name of a unique thing, you should always start with a capital letter. ऐसे ही जब हम दिवाली लिखते हैं तो दिवाली का डी कैपिटल होता है. जब आप गोवर्धन पूजा लिखते हैं तो गोवर्धन पूजा का जी and पूजा का p is always a capital letter. Okay? If you have done it in a small, please do correct it. Everybody, सब देखिए अपने गोवर्धन पूजा कैसे लिखना है. गोवर्धन का g should always be capital and पूजा का p should always be capital. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Fine. Okay, Sonakshi, please continue. Likewise, I was saying that जहाँ पर आपने हिंदू लिखा है, हिंदू is also a particular name, है ना? तो हिंदू का H should also be what it should be.
Ma'am. Capital letter.
Yes, it should be a capital.
Ma'am, start.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then place a full stop after Hindu. Okay, everybody now listen to me. Okay. Whenever there is a full stop and whenever you start a new word, okay, whenever you write, okay, let me show you one thing. Just give me 2 minutes, please.
Agree?
Okay, class, are you able to see a PDF on what?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? This is the work of me. I had recently sent this to the group. अच्छा आप यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिएगा. Whenever you start a new, are you able to see the cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. देखिए जहाँ पर see when there is Diwali, there is a full stop right here and my brother का M is capital, है ना? Whenever you start a new line, you should mind that you should also start with it with a capital letter. Fine. ये बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा mistake ये करते हैं. Whenever they do write a new line, they always start with a small letter. This is the most repeated mistake. Okay, what you need to do, you need to start a new line with a capital letter always. Okay, full stop के बाद, just a minute. Okay, let me show you what I was talking about. Okay, are you able to see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Look at this. Whenever you are writing about, we are talking about Govardhan Puja. Let me open that first. Okay, so Govardhan Puja, if you look at this right here, what is it? There should be a full stop after him.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sonakshi, you're getting my point? And whenever you are starting a letter, this will be the first letter of the new sentence, right? So this का D हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए? It should be a
capital.
Yes, तो करेक्टेड एवरीबॉडी। अब अपना पैसेज ध्यान से देखिए, जहां पर भी देयर इज अ फुल स्टॉप एंड यू स्टार्टेड अ न्यू sentence, the first letter of the sentence should always be a capital letter. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Sonakshi, please continue. Start reading ahead. This festival, this D should be a capital letter. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
This
please continue.
festival this festival is celebrated in the
Celebrate.
month
It isn't. It shouldn't be celebrate. It should be celebrated. Okay. Place a
yes,
D
ma'am.
after celebrate.
Celebrated in the month of October or November.
Okay.
Govardhan
Okay. Sonakshi, stop right here. Okay. तो अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है कि मैंने आपको क्या समझाया, तो you will be able to spot a mistake in the sentence. अब इस सेंटेंस को ध्यान से देखिए, बताइए आपने क्या गलती की है यहाँ।
ma'am full stop और letter capital होना
कौन सा लेटर कैपिटल?
चाहिए.
सॉरी,
M
एम?
M month
नो,
October.
नो, मंथ तो सारे होते हैं ना।
Letter capital.
एम, नो, एम इज नॉट, मंथ इज नॉट अ month.
Ma'am Govardhan Puja.
Govardhan Puja, no. Govardhan Puja ka G is capital, okay. Puja ka P should be capital. If you look at October, shouldn't you write the October ka O as a capital letter? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No, October is the name of a specific month, Sonakshi. Month का M नहीं, October का O should be capital. Okay, fine. Please continue. And there should be a what? There should be a full stop after.
November.
Yes, so place a full stop after November.
Govardhan Puja is celebrated every year, just a day after Diwali, in the month of Kartik, according to Hindu
Acha,
calendar.
wait a minute. Okay, just a minute, please. Just a minute, Sonakshi. Fine. Okay, look at the screen right now. Acha, Sonakshi, tell me one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
What you need to do here is you need to
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So what you need to do? You need to place full stop after card. Okay, and Diwali ka D should be a
Ma'am.
capital letter. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Diwali in the month of Kartik. Okay, and what should be the correct? What should be the error in the next one after Kartik?
Occupation.
Yes, Sonakshi, tell me.
Ma'am, occupation.
Hmm?
According,
Hmm. Hmm.
according,
According.
Hindu, Hindu. Ma'am, according ka A.
Yeah, so please don't help her. Let her do herself. Okay, according to A should be a capital letter. Okay, what next?
Ma'am, Hindu ka H.
Yes. So you should be placing according to A should be a capital letter, and Hindu ka H should also be a capital letter. Okay, calendar ka C should be a small letter. Fine.
Ma'am, A of Auspicious.
Okay.
Auspicious का एक
Auspicious. It should be auspicious. No, auspicious का मतलब होता है. Okay, Sonakshi, I'll be correcting your passage tomorrow. Later, after this, I would be correcting this in tomorrow's session. Fine. Let me end the session right here because we are feeling lack of time here. Okay, Sonakshi.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody, you should be ready with your passage tomorrow. Anybody would be called off. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Goodbye, class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome.